Hello there, my friend. Welcome to the Lori Robertson podcast. I am your host, Lori Robertson, and I want to welcome you and thank you for being here today. I am doing a property preservation series, and we are almost done. After this particular episode called Marketing Your Property Preservation Business, we have one more episode and we will wind up the series in property preservation. So up to this point, I hope that you have enjoyed the series. I hope you got some valuable information out of it. And I'm looking forward to your feedback. So anyway, let's get this started, okay? Today, like I said, we are going to be talking about marketing your property preservation business. Now, you've got your business set up, you've got your company. You've signed up for companies. You have hired your contractors. You've gotten all your equipment and tools. And let's say maybe you want to expand and you want to get more companies, or you want to get more work in your generalized area for different things, because maybe the companies that you're working for aren't providing you with enough work. So instead of sitting around waiting for them to get you some work, you need to learn how to market your own business. Okay. So your marketing should be consistent and ongoing and be directed at your target market, right? So whatever your target market is basically whatever your service line. Let's say you are a electrician. Your target market is people who need electrical work, right? So you may want to go after companies who just do it just hire electricians, and they may need some extra help. You may want to go after government jobs. You may want to go after city jobs. If you are a cleaner, you may want to go after cleaning companies that's working for banks and things of that nature. So you have to sit down and think about really what your target market is and who you want to do the work for. Now, once that happens, provide as much value about the industry as possible to help as many people as possible. And the more you're out there, the more eyes are on you and your business, and the more your business will start to acquire work. Okay. And word of mouth is so powerful. At some point, you'll want to market your business to banks, like I said, and other property preservation companies to get work as a subcontractor. So, if you remember in a few episodes back, I was sharing with you how to hire contractors and to work for you. And you can also become a subcontractor to work for someone else. And basically, you are actually a subcontractor when you work for these companies. So that's just an FYI and a different way for you to look at it. Okay, so here is just a small list of marketing ideas that are necessary for your property preservation business. So if you don't have a pen and pad, write this down, or you can always go back and listen to this after we're done. But here's some ways that you can market your business. You can use business cards, and some of these are traditional, and some of these are not. You can use promotional materials like brochures and flyers with the services that you offer. You can have a basic website with with contact page, and you can make a free one on Wix. So I have a free website for one of my other businesses on Wix, and it works amazing. You have social media accounts like LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. And now you have TikTok, where you can promote your business. You can do workshops or go to workshops, webinars. You can create webinars, or you can be on webinars that they're talking about the particular topic, like in real estate, like a realtor, investors, things of that nature. You can do online ads, and definitely you should attend conferences in the real estate industry. And you can participate in speaking engagements. So if any one of these, resonates with you, any or all, then I suggest that you do everything possible to make your business marketable and to make your business a business that everybody sees all the time, or they think about when they think about property preservation work. Now, of course, like I said, the best is word of mouth. So get comfy telling people about your business. As I stated above in the hiring contractors section again, I already have a list of contacts and connections that I can reach out to. So that's what you want to do. You want to have a Rolodex of people that you can reach out to. So if you have those, that's a great place to start. Sometimes it's all in who you know, right? So in the same arena as this, marketing your business, the next topic that I want to share is getting more work for your property preservation business and how you can do that. Okay. So, yeah, I know right now you're probably hyped and excited and you want to make tons of money. You're like, Lori, this is the best business I've heard of in real estate because I don't have to sell. I don't have to have a license. I don't need any experience. Oh, I'm excited. I'm ready to get going. But when you first get started, you should take it slow and take one job at a time until you get used to the work and you have a team of people that you can trust. Start with one service line at a time and then add on another one. Just make sure you pace your business. The main goal is to be as professional as possible, complete the jobs on time, and make sure they are done properly. Then see how fast more and more jobs can come your way, And trust me, you will start to make a name for yourself in the business. Bigger and more profitable jobs will come your way. So let me give you some final nuggets, okay? Sometimes it may seem like your business may not be going the way that you want it, but trust me, if you treat this like a business and not like a hobby, you will always have work. Provide exceptional service every day. You are your business. How you do anything is how you do everything. So do more than what is expected, and your business will definitely flourish. Now, I hope this information is giving you a basic overview of the property preservation industry, right? I have created a guide that has a lot of this information in it. It's a guide for beginners, but there is so much more you can learn. And the reason why I started with beginners because a lot of people just don't know how to get started. So as time goes on, I will be creating more information that goes a little higher, gives you more in-depth information, more technical terms, more stuff in relation to the foreclosure process, the banks, and things like that. So this is an excellent business to be in, right? And my goal is to help you become an independent business owner and get your piece of this billion-dollar industry. I am so excited that you came along with me on this journey of my property preservation series. And I want you to succeed like I have and so many other people have in property preservation. Now, the secret of property preservation is really not a secret anymore. Or I shouldn't say the secret to it, but the secret of property preservation. Because it's a secret, really. A lot of people in the real estate industry have no idea about property preservation. I know I didn't. And I was in the business 4 years before I realized what it was. And and I was just amazed because I'm like, how did I not know about this? I do this type of work every day. Now, you can go out and start your own business today. And as I stated at the beginning of the series, my goal and my responsibility and my duty is to help as many people as I possibly can get into the industry. So that's why I decided to do this impromptu series. That's why I created the ebook that I did. And that's why I created my property preservation for Beginners Masterclass to help you every step of the way to get you going, hold your hand, guide you on your journey in this awesome and amazing property preservation industry. And I ask you, let me help you. Let me help you get your financial dreams in place, get your financial dreams, your money, your goals, your aspirations. I mean, it's so many things going through my head because I'm so excited about property preservation. So I hope that you thoroughly enjoyed this series. I hope you got some valuable information out of it. And I also hope that you are ready to just jump right in, join my masterclass, and let's get this property preservation journey underway. In the description below, I have given you a couple of resources that you can use. One is free, the other ones are not, but these are some, if you want to start your business, these are things that you must do in order to start it. Okay, so I have a PDF for 7 reasons why you should start your own property preservation business. I have an ebook, Property Preservations for Beginners, A Path to a Six-Figure Business. And then I have my Property Preservation Masterclass for Beginners. And you can also reach out to me if you are already in the property preservation industry and you need help with bids, you just have questions, or you are in the real estate industry and you're just trying to figure out how you can incorporate anything. I do one-on-one consultations as well. So thank you. The series is over. Today is the last day, but I hope that you enjoyed and found valuable information and insight into the world of property preservation. Until my next episode, I hope you have an amazing, amazing day, and thank you for being on this journey with me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.